Summer can be slow. You take holidays, clients take holidays, and before you know it, September is upon you and your phone isn't ringing. Without consistent business development efforts, it can feel like your practice has taken a holiday, and that means your finances can take a hit. It's time to ramp up your business development, but where do you start? Welcome to Gimbal's Tip of the Week, where you get practical, actionable advice you can use right away to start building a more productive and profitable legal practice. This week's tip is to create a marketing plan. Sure, the best time to create your marketing plan was back in May, but the second best time is now. So here we go with 5 steps to make the most of your marketing investment and attract the right clients to your firm. 1. Identify your business goals. Having a marketing strategy is great, but it has to align with your business goals. What do you want to achieve in the next 6 to 12 months? 2. Have specific marketing and business development goals. Set specific goals that motivate you. For example, how many new clients do you want to bring in every month? How many business development events will you attend every month? What are your targets for year end? 3. Know your market. Successful law firms consistently gather information about their markets, so look for information on the size, growth, social trends, and the demographics for the population you serve. And that brings me to 4. Profile your ideal client. Attract your ideal client by understanding their needs. You should know where they are, what type of legal service they're looking for, and how much they're willing to spend. We've got a free step-by-step guide to help you do this. Just go to leanlegal.academy/clients to get it. Finally, we come to number 5, know your competitors. You can stay ahead of the competition by tracking their services, products, pricing, and marketing tactics. Then compare your strengths and weaknesses against your competition so you can identify areas to improve on or discover what makes you stand out. So this week's tip is to create or update your marketing plan. Your action item this week is easy. Get started. Download your free Ideal Client Guide from leanlegal.academy/clients. Legal professionals who create and implement the right marketing strategies are more likely to increase revenue, targeting their ideal clients and retaining their existing clients. They deliver more value for themselves, their firm, and most importantly, their clients. And that's this week's tip. If you want information like this once a week, sign up at leanlegal.academy/tips so you never miss a tip of the week. Thanks a lot, everybody. See you next week. And remember, you should not have to work so hard. Every lawyer deserves a successful practice and the time and freedom to enjoy that success.